Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Microsoft Office license back after formatting your PC. And this guide is applicable for both kind of users, whether you have perpetual version like 2021 or 2024 or even Microsoft Office 365. And before we proceed further, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe for more such office and productivity related videos. Alright, now let's jump back to our topic, how we can get Microsoft Office back. And for that, first of all, I'm hoping that you remember your account ID and password with whom you bought your Office. Or it can be another situation or scenario where you are getting Office pre-bundled with your system. So you do not need to worry in that scenario as well, because I'm going to show you how you can get that particular variant back. So as I said before, first of all, we need to know what is my Microsoft ID, which you can easily find by going here in Windows setting on the left hand side. So in this way, you can easily find your login ID. Now, let's say if you are using Microsoft Office 365 Office Personal, then in that case, you're going to see your subscription immediately here, which if I click here on Manage Subscription, I can see info and insight about it. And not only that, I also can see my other license, which is Office Home and Student 2021. Now, let's say, you do not see all these things here. Then in that case, we're going to go back here in browser. I'm going to type office.com. Now here we need to click on sign in, and then again we need to use same Office ID that we discussed in setting. Now here we are signed in. Now we need to click here on apps, and then you're gonna see this option which says install apps, and from here you can install Microsoft Office in your system. There is one more method how you can do the same, which is like we can directly visit Microsoft.com. Now, if we click here on sign in and click on my Microsoft account, then again, if you click here on subscription, you will be able to see your Office subscription. So if you have 365, maybe you're going to see that on the top. And if you are using perpetual version like Office 2021 or Office 2024, again, that is also available here. So all here, what we need to do is we need to click here on install and then need to select our language. And then from here, you're going to select the version. And let's say if you want to download separate Office offline installer, you can do that as well. So I'm going to select this time offline installer and I'm going to click on install. Now what will happen is it will download the complete offline package. We can directly install it as well by simply clicking on install and by selecting the version. But let's say if you want to install Microsoft Office in multiple devices, then I think offline installer is better way to go, as one do not require to download same file again and again from internet. Now we will be waiting for a while till we download this setup. Alright, so finally here we can see we have successfully downloaded it. Now let's click here on keep, and now I'm going to click on open file. As this is IMG, you can even make a right click and click on mount. Now after, all you need to do is you need to click on setup.exe, and then you will see the setup now has started, and you will see the process of installation has begun. All now you need to do is you need to wait, or maybe you can copy the same setup to another system such that you do not need to download it again. And there you go. Finally, we have successfully installed Office in our system. Now let's complete the last step, which is activation. For that, again, here now we need to open any Office app, for example, Word. And here now I need to go here in account. And then in account, I need to make sure that I am signed in. So as soon as you will be signing in, you need to sign in using the same account as you can see here. Once done, you are good to go. So in this way guys, you can successfully reinstall Microsoft Office in your new system or after formatting your system. Hope you find this helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.